Okay, we're just gonna do this little review on this little cube. And I've heard that this is a really good speed cube. It's the Moyu Along V2 squared off, and this is the first Moyu squared off cube, and I'm really excited for that. And I want to try this out. Has no brand sticker. Screen side feels a lot looser than the other side, which is kind of weird.
Try it out.
I'll just try it out anyways. It looks weird. Let's do some first turns. What the? No!
What is happening to the cube?
Dish?
Oh no.
Well, the mechanism, I can tell sucks. And, well
Okay, this is the worst cube I've ever seen.
Okay, wow, dude.
You were so excited, now it just blew up.
Wow, I'm probably gonna get a refund on this cube. This sucks.
Yeah, probably.
This is terrible, oh man. I gotta put these pieces all back in. I don't know if this is just the green side, or if maybe some other sides do it too. If other sides do it too, that would completely suck. Well, I'm pretty sure it's only the green side because it was really only the only loose side. Wow, Moyu company really failed this time.
Yeah.
It's also kind of terrible turning. Corner cutting, really bad.
And it broke again.
Stop.
Oh, try hitting the bottom. Try hitting the bottom.
Oh,
And that falls apart too.
Oh my gosh.
The worst cube.